Hey everybody, thank you for coming back to my channel today. So we wanted to share with you guys all of our home renovations and all of our DIYs and all of our updates. So I wanted to share with you guys today how we DIY made over this kitchen table. So we got this table from Wayfair. I will link it down below. It was really affordable and the quality is amazing and we love it. But once we got it in our space, we didn't love the color and we were like, what can we do? Like, do we have to leave it like this? Is there a way we can change the color to go a little bit more with our style and have it be kind of more of what we had in mind? It was a really orangey red tone, really beautiful. But we did some research and found out it was just stained that color. So Brett did a lot of research and found out that he could just sand that off and restain it a different color. So I want to show you guys all the process, how long it took, and all the products that we used. It was really affordable, a really good way to make over a table. Even if you just want to update your space, but you don't want to spend money on all new furniture, I think this was like a $20 DIY project. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and also we're gonna film like redoing our flooring, and we painted and we filmed that. We made a home gym and we filmed that, and we're doing all different kinds of updates in our home, but we're so excited. So if you guys want to watch our whole home series, I will link that playlist down below for you guys, but let's get this video started. So this is the exact stain that we used. It's called Hazelwood from Varathane Classic Penetrating Wood Stain. And we loved like the color that it had like as a sample at the store. And it came out like that, but a little bit different. So I think it will vary depending on what your table looks like before and like how much of it comes off when you sand it. But this is the exact one that we got. For the finish, we got the Varathane water-based crystal clear matte. So it does have more of a matte finish, but it looks really natural. It looks like that's the finish it was supposed to have. To be able to fit the table outside of the door, we took it off of the legs and we brought it out to the garage. Let's go, Joy, come on. This is the supplies that we got. Sandpaper, a sander, and I don't know what this is. And then we just laid down, we had this left over from painting, some like plastic wrap, we just laid that down in our garage.
I just want to see how it reacts quick.
It already looks cool.
I think we'll definitely need some sort of oil or stain just to make sure the wood doesn't get too dehydrated.
Do more.
And this is really like light grit sandpaper I'm starting with, so that way I don't do damage yet.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna see how it looks and maybe that would be enough,
So like, you see how it looks kind of like chalky?
Yeah.
Is it just because it's like dusty, or will it stay that color?
No, that's the dust.
Oh, I kind of like that color.
Well, it'll be lighter because I'm taking off the stain.
Okay.
So.
Cool, I already like it.
I'll do a little bit with this grit and then we'll see how you like it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go really light.
I like that you're wearing your Christmas sweatshirt.
I know.
Why does it look gray?
I don't know. It soaks into the wood, so.
So did you end up using the thicker sandpaper?
Yeah, I used the like stronger, or the, I guess I don't know what the term would be, but it's the roughest grit
Okay.
sandpaper.
So this is without any stain, so that took all the stain off.
Yep.
Now.
Then you gotta treat it with something because it's really dried out.
But you vacuumed it and wiped it.
With just a damp rag.
And now we bought Varathane Penetrating Wood Stain in Hazelwood. That's what he's using right there.
Yep.
So you're gonna do a coat of this and let it dry?
No, so you do a coat and then you wipe it, like wipe off the top layer. 2 hours later you can put another coat on, it says.
All right, so this is one coat of the stain.
Really light coat.
Looks so good. I love the color. It's like a muted.
It's starting to wash it out a little.
Yeah, it's like washed out. That's a great word for it. And it looks really matte.
Yeah, and then the clear coat that I'm gonna put over it too is really matte, so.
I love it. So we let it dry for 2 hours and now we're gonna do the next layer of stain.
Yes.
And there's only 2 layers?
I don't know, we can see what we think.
Okay. I really wonder how much of a difference this is gonna make. So this is 1 layer, and then the next clip will be 2 layers. Wow, it looks so much better.
You like it?
Yeah, like just from the last clip to this, like, wow.
Wow.
What a difference. So we brought it inside to do the clear coat. So right now it has 3 coats on it of the stain.
Yep.
And now we're just gonna do, is it like 1 coat?
No, it says do like 3 coats of clear coat.
At one time, or one, let it dry?
Let it dry.
Oh, wow.
2 hours and then,
Oh, so it's an all day thing?
yes,
So this was like a weekend thing we did.
totally. Just because of all the drying time.
Right. Wow, it looks so good.
Glad you like it.
And we're doing the clear coat inside because it has to be above 55 degrees and it's pretty chilly outside,
Yeah.
right?
Well, I think you can do it. It just takes forever to dry if it's cold. So that's why I decided to bring it in.
It looks so good. It feels very like different though.
It's gonna feel a lot different after a clear coat.
Like it feels like paint.
Yeah. The clear coat will take that away.
Interesting. But yeah, it looks beautiful. Okay, so here is the table finished. If you guys have any questions, of course, leave them down below for me. But I hope you guys tried this out. If you do try out this DIY, please tag me so we can see it. And I hope you guys like the rest of our home series videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!